What do you want to do? Should we go see if we can find Daddy? Come on. I think he's gone on here. Which one did they go in? They went over there. Look, come and see. They're there. Where are they? There they are. Where's Daddy? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? That's not them. Can you see them? Where are they? There they are! Oh, was it good?
Yeah, Abby wants to go with you. Said you may not be interested because it spins you around.
It is spinny.
Wow. The very end.
Oh yeah. She's waving. She's standing up. Should I stand up one?
Yeah.
I got Mammy! Let's see how she will react. Yeah.
You hear her? It's a license gun.
Ready? You sure you don't want to go on? No? Ready, go! Daddy's shooting them all and no one else is. Shoot a rat. Yeah, it's good for that. You do like loads of little things. There's the cow. No one's got a bonus yet. Oh, he's a ugly looking dude. Oh, Mummy got a bonus! I got a bonus! I think if you go yellow, you get a bonus. Daddy got the bell. His left finger's killing him. There's a spinning. Woo! Hussy! Oh, the lady. Not as many bonuses a day. It usually like hands out loads of bonuses.
Daddy won.
How do you know Daddy won? What does he get? Wheeze nuggling chappy.
I like that.
It's fun, isn't it? Did you like that one? We'll go to Choo Choo in a minute. Abby, what do you think?
What did you think?
You won, but me and Mommy stood together and we won with you.
Oh, I got 1-2-1.
Rory, have you got a third Easter egg there? I tell you what, boys and girls, Rory is very excited when he plays this game. That's right, Rory. Do you want me to fix that? Good job. So, boys and girls, who here knows of our cheeky snowman friend called Olaf? Oh, that didn't sound very loud, did it? I said, boys and girls, who here knows Olaf? We have a little surprise at the end. Rory, are you ready? Here we go. Boys and girls, are you ready? Here we go, we're going to pass the egg along. Pass it to the back. That's it, pass it along, well done. Pass it along. Pass it along, well done. Pass it along. Pass it along, and pass it to the girl right behind you. That's it, good job. And we're going to pass it to our friend here, well done. And we're going to pass it along to our next friend. Good job. Now my friend, you're going to pass it to the boy behind you. Boy behind you, good job. Now we're going to pass it to our friend here. Good job, well done. To the left. Woo!
Take it back there, y'all. One hop this time.
What? How many hops, everyone? What?
Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the
All of the engines, including Thomas, have been working very hard. Even Rusty and Dusty have finished most of their jobs, but they've both been asked by Sir Topham Hatt to meet him here and not be late. In fact, here they come now.
Here they come. Ready?
Welcome to Thomas Land. Welcome to Thomas Land. Come on, everybody, let's pass the fun. We'll have a good time in the ring of the sun. Thomas will stop you feeling blue. We're all here to make your dreams come true. Welcome to Thomas.
he's not even looking. Toot toot, driver Abby! Don't crash, gents! In a minute! Yep, go on then! Go find Daddy.
See what he's up there, babe.
Oh, big boy! Come on then, this way! Abby, out the way? Yeah, you're 1.1. We already know you are because you've been on the rides. Oh, Jensen's 85. Big boy.
What don't we want to do? What's that? No wee wee. It's not no wee wee. It means don't put your arms out. What have we got not to do? Don't crash. Ooh, rusty. Rusty. Don't crash. Buddy? Have we crashed yet? No? You're doing good. Don't crash. Don't crash. Oh, nearly. Hey, Ebony. Please. Come on. Do you want to go this one? This one? This one? Go that one then. Go that one. Jensen! You can't go. I don't know. Go to the one right at the back. You ready for a ride on Thomas? Going to sit by me? Yes, Jensen? What were you saying? James? I know don't think James is here today. See, look out this window, you might see Percy. There's Percy. It's fine, he's just seeing. Who's that? It's Thomas. Want to get a picture?
Welcome aboard. I'm Winston. Nice to meet you. I'm the back controller's track inspection car.
Oh yeah, he's waving me.
Safe and good working order. The back controller isn't quite used to driving me yet. It can get you as my driver. I'm sure it will be a smooth journey. There's plenty to see and do. Let's see what the other engines are up to. There's Bertie the bus, busy with his passengers. Isn't too cranky today.
Oh, there's Crunchy, look.
Off we go around the bend.
Round the bend.
On his pedal tours. Oh, this is fun.
Gonna show me? Gonna show me? Get the coal from there. Oh yeah! And he goes beep beep. Does he go beep beep with his coal? Oh, Mummy's a bit stuck. Where does she go, eh?
Daddy, can I taste the strawberry one? So I got this side.
Any dark.
We need seatbelts.
Lady, don't close the door, you sit down.
You sit down.
Put your belt on. We see if anyone needs rescuing.
Yeah.
Oh, the tugboat's working.
Oh, is it not working before?
You have maintenance people underneath. Jensen, look. It's open.
You like that one, don't you?
It's open.
On the helicopters. Oh, Harold the helicopter. Please stand next to me. That's it. Big smiles, everybody. Say cheese. Oh, no.
Well done. Say bye.
You too. Have a lovely time.
See ya. You remember them?
okay there, fireman? You gotta drive them to the fire, fire lady, fire mummy.
Gents, what are we gonna ride?
Turn on.
It's on?
You better than this one?
Is it gonna go boom, boom, boom? Wow. Up and down.
Perfect. It's that one where that.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Rock and roll.
Why have you always put the wrist strap on? You're upside down now. No, come. When we get
Hi guys, what am I doing then?
How you doing with that cold?
coal, what am I doing at the coal? We're shoveling it. I thought I was the passenger. I'm not, am I?
No.
Alright, I'll shovel some coal then.
You're my helper.
You're a helper? Okay.
And that's the passenger. That little boy's passenger. Okay? Okay? Put some coal in there.
Shoveling.
Do you have a hat?
Do you have a hat?
Do you have a phone with you?
A camera. Shoveling as quickly as you can. Oh no, you got a balloon on the track.